tickets and not taking me to jail. $500 in your pocket, not taking me to jail. Like, I'm begging y'all, man. I don't have the money to pay for bond, man. $500 both of y'all. Please let me go. Cash. Just please let me go and ride home, man. Please.
That's not where we're at, okay?
On May 19th, 2023, a Maryville, Tennessee police officer arrested a 21-year-old man following a disturbance at a local concert venue. Within 10 minutes, the encounter transformed from a misdemeanor disturbance into Class B felony exposure, carrying up to 30 years in state prison. The mechanism of that transformation is the focus of this legal analysis.
Please stop. Leave me alone. I never hurt nobody.
What's your name? Get his hands behind his back. Turn around.
Hey, please stop.
Turn around, buddy. You're under arrest. Turn around.
Oh, please stop. You're hurting me, man. I'm hurting me. I'm not doing something.
Got him? Yeah, we got him. Thank you.
Please stop. Please
He's
stop.
gonna try and run and fight. That's all he's done is run and fight. Do not give him a second. All right, buddy, relax. Just relax. Give him a second.
I didn't fight about anybody.
Relax.
Hey. Man, I'm drunk as please just stop.
Tell him what's going on.
Man, I got my nose busted. That's enough. Please.
Just relax. Okay, let me talk to you. All right, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. All right.
I know, but I saw it, man. I ain't trying to get my nose busted. That's enough.
Just calm down for just a second. All right.
Can I wipe my nose? Can you give me a gift to wipe my nose?
Yes, but give me a second.
Thank you. Pardon.
Better?
Yeah.
All right.
Man, please don't take me to jail.
Just calm down for me, okay?
I don't calm down, man, but I got my ass beat. That's enough. Please.
All right. Well, just relax because I don't know what's going on. Okay?
I rushed the stage like a dumbass. Please don't take me to jail over it.
Rush the stage?
Yeah, I wanted to picture Willow Walker. Please don't take me to jail over it.
Okay. All right. Calm down for just a second.
I got my nose busted. That's enough. Please. Oh, they got me good, boys.
You got a wallet, bud?
Oh, I gave it to my friend, man.
What's your name?
I ain't have no charges. Please go.
What's up? Hey.
I'm not running.
I know that.
Please let me go. I'm going to
Are you from around? Are you from Tennessee? Okay. Pull up your information. All right, buddy. I gotta.
I'm not running from you. I'm just.
I know. Just hold on, just 1 second, because I've got to lock these. Okay.
It happens to the best of us.
Sometimes you got to take a lucky man. Okay.
Yeah, I know, sir. Please just sit down, man. I need to catch my breath. I'm not gonna run, man. Trust me.
Just relax, buddy. I'm getting to that point. All right.
Man, please don't charge me some bullshit. Man, I'm begging you. Man, I ain't in trouble, man. I just never seen Willow Walker. That's my key. You see IBW? International Brothers of Electrical Workers. Working man, man. You're being the best cop you can be.
I'm being respectful to you.
Hey, man, they f***ing me up on the ground, man. That's enough. I'm not around with y'all no more.
What me, buddy?
I know it wasn't y'all, but I know what I mean, though.
Now you come back here, okay?
Yeah, I got you, bro. They got me, boys. They got me. Please don't take me to jail, man.
All right. Have you take a seat like you wanted, okay?
Okay, how much does it take to get me out of this?
Well, let me talk to you.
Ow!
Sit sideways. Sit sideways.
Like this?
Yeah. Once you get in there, you'll cock your back to the side, okay?
Please don't take me to jail, man.
So tell me what happened.
I rushed the stage like a dumbass.
And then what happened after that?
I got my ass beat. That's all that happened.
Who beat your ass, buddy?
The security guard, like I deserved, you know?
Alright, well they're saying that you were throwing hands at them when you...
Willow Walker Jr., I would not throw hands at Willow Walker Jr.
When they went to go get you off the stage.
No, I got slammed on my face. What do you mean throwing hands at them? No.
They're saying that you're throwing hands at them when they were trying to get you off the stage.
Oh, man, no. With what, 6 people? 0%.
I don't know, but I wasn't there, so that's why I'm asking you.
I was not trying to throw hands at anybody, man.
Okay.
I got my ass beat. I got less than I deserved. Don't rush the stage. Okay, you know, I'm sorry.
Is that what happened?
Yes, sir. I promise to God. I swear to God. I'm a Christian. I swear to God. Please don't take me to jail, man. Please.
Well, buddy, I have to. Okay. So, but here's the deal. I'm going to make it real easy for you. All right. It's just going to be real simple, in and out. I don't want you to make this any worse because you're drunk and stayed. Okay.
He then stated he would pay both officers $500 apiece to be released from custody.
Some people make it worse, and I don't want you to make it worse. Okay?
I understand. I understand.
You've been respectful to me, and I'm going to be respectful back to you. Okay?
Where's my hat? They got my hat. They got my hat. They got my hat. They got my hat. They got my hat.
The hat? Is that it?
That's my hat. That's my hat. I swear to God, that's my hat, officer. Officer, I swear to God, that's my
Go
hat.
get his hat.
No, officer, I swear that's my hat, bro. I swear. Officer, I swear that's my hat. I swear that's my hat, man. Just whatever, man.
We're out here to shed as well.
$500
Property damage MVA here in the parking lot.
$500 in your pocket, not taking me to jail.
Well, you can't bribe the police, all
I
right?
didn't bribe you, bro. I didn't mean to do that.
I'm trying to help you out, but don't make it worse, okay?
Okay. $500, both of y'all. Please let me go. Cash.
But that's not what we're doing. Listen, you can't bribe a police officer.
I'm not bribing you. It's okay. I didn't do nothing.
I'm sorry.
Bro, they hit the f*** out of me, man. Give me a tissue. I didn't do anything wrong, man. I'm going. Don't take me to jail, officer. Man, I got a whole life ahead of me. Please don't take me to jail, man.
This is very small stuff. This is not something that's going to affect you.
Please don't take me to jail, man. I'm begging
to
you.
me, and I know that you're impaired. You're not listening. You find his stuff. Well, not his hat.
Come on, man. Please, they took my hat and everything. Please just let me go and I'll go home and I won't f*** y'all no more. I won't f*** y'all no more, okay? Please just let me go.
Buddy, we're not letting you go.
Pass that, man.
I'm not driving. Please just let me go.
We're not letting you go. That's where we're at, okay? So, alright. So
Man,
give me
please,
a second.
I'm not a criminal, man.
I don't think you are. I think you just made a mistake. That's all.
Yes, I made a mistake. Please just let me go. I don't have the money to pay for bond. $500
Property damage MVA here in the parking lot.
$500 in your pocket, not taking me to jail. Like, I'm begging y'all, man. I don't have the money to pay for bond. $500, both of y'all. Please let me go. Cash. Just please let me go and ride home, man. Please.
That's not where we're at, okay?
Alright, jail, I'm going to jail. 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 Alright, leave me alone.
Aren't you a genius?
I'm going to jail.
And
Leave me alone.
you get the catch of bribing a police officer tonight.
No, please,
Aren't
sir.
you a genius?
Please, sir. Please, sir. No. Please, sir. Put me in the car. Put me in the car. Don't do that. Please.
If we have anybody remotely close to you, but it's got a very good
Don't do that. Please.
And
Take me to jail, please. Take me to
Maybe east
jail.
side to
I'm
the
done.
west side.
I'm done. Please take me to jail, man.
Buddy, are you gonna get in this back seat or do I need to load you in here?
Please, I can't breathe. Please, stop.
Get up and get in this back seat like a human. Let's go.
I cannot lift myself up, man.
Have a seat. Get in there.
I'm done, man. I'm done.
Put your feet in.
I'm done, okay? I'm done. I'm done. Act like a dumbass, please. I'm 21 years old. I'm acting like a dumbass, please, man.
Put
Just let
your
me
foot
learn
in
my
there.
lesson. I cannot feel my fucking hands at all. Please. Oh.
Shut up. Shut your mouth. You're a numbnut. Shut up.
Matt, you're gonna need somebody to follow you. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Guys, I'm sorry, I got busy as
You're good.
Basically, what happened, running up on stage, one of our stage hands got a hold of him, was pulling him off the stage. He dove it, started taking swings at him, jumped in it, he started taking swings at them. They both put him down. I went in there, grabbed him by his belt, started pulling him out. After they got him on the ground, right? They had to get him.
Assault? Please don't put assault on me, man. I didn't assault anybody, bro.
Definitely, he knows he shouldn't have been up where he was. That's criminal trespass. That's no man's land for anyone.
Well, I'll be the one who determines the charges here. I appreciate that.
Sir.
You'll have contact me. He's got my contact information.
Absolutely.
Tell him to contact me.
We got 3 units here.
And
Where do you need us?
I'll go ahead and hash some things out with him. I need some information from him. And we'll go ahead and get that squared away.
Please don't press charges on me, man. I mean,
If we're out in this mind, help 160.
Whatever.
121,
Where I'm in the area.
146 house.
No door handle there.
I'm not trying to open the door, man. I cannot breathe. I can't breathe, dude.
Yeah, I mean this is insane.
Hey, this was a totally irresponsible deal. Right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Take me to jail, man. I hope you feel good, man. I know I'm going to jail, bro. Over nothing. Please, man. Please. I pressed an assault charges on the security officer. They beat the out of me, dude. Damn. I pressed an assault charges on all them security officers. Every one of them. I did nothing wrong. I got punched in the face while I was already held on the ground. I'm pressing charges. I don't care, man. I didn't deserve to get punched in the face while I was already in handcuffs. I got choked out when I was in handcuffs. I'm pressing charges on you and your buddies.
Alrighty.
Not you or your buddies, but the security officers, okay?
Okay. Is it me or my buddies or the security officer?
Security officers, man. But do not get me on bribing a police officer, man, or I will go there, bro. Please do not get me on some bribing security officers, bro. While I was in handcuffs,
Nobody beat you up while you're in handcuffs. You trying to run while you're in handcuffs and then getting pinned to the ground is getting beat up, then we have different definitions of getting beat up.
The first legal issue is the moment custody attached. Under Tennessee Code Section 39-16-601, custody is established when a person is taken, seized, or detained by a law enforcement officer through handcuffing, restraint, or any method by which a reasonable person would believe their freedom of movement is significantly restricted. Handcuffs are not required. The officer's verbal command to turn around and place hands behind the back, combined with physical control, satisfies this standard. From that point forward, every subsequent act is measured against custody. The subject's brief attempt to pull away therefore triggered Tennessee Code Section 39-16-605, the escape statute. Critically, the statute requires only a knowing departure from custody. Voluntary intoxication is not a defense to a knowing mental state under Tennessee law, because the subject knowingly chose to consume alcohol prior to the conduct. The central legal event, however, is the bribery offer. Tennessee Code Section 39-16-102 defines bribery of a public servant as offering, conferring, or agreeing to confer any pecuniary benefit upon a public servant, with the intent to influence the servant's exercise of discretion in their official capacity. The subject's offer of $500 to each of two officers, a $1,000 total to secure his release, satisfies every statutory element on a single audio track of body camera footage. This is not a misdemeanor. Under Tennessee Code Section 40-35-111, this is a Class B felony, carrying a sentence of not less than 8 years and not more than 30 years in state prison. 3 doctrinal points elevate the prosecution's position from strong to nearly insurmountable. First, subsection B of the bribery statute expressly forecloses the most common defense raised in cases of this kind. It provides that it is no defense to prosecution that the person sought to be influenced was not qualified to act in the desired way, because they had not yet assumed office, lacked jurisdiction, or for any other reason. In plain English, it does not matter whether the officer was willing, able, or even legally permitted to release the subject. The offer alone, with the requisite intent, completes the crime. Second, the intent element, typically the most contested issue in bribery prosecutions, is established beyond reasonable doubt by the subject's repetition of the offer after an explicit warning that, quote, "You can't bribe the police." A defendant cannot credibly argue inadvertent or alcohol-confused speech when the offer is made, warned against, and then repeated. The repetition converts ambiguous conduct into knowing conduct. Third, the spontaneity of the statements forecloses any Miranda-based suppression argument under Miranda v. Arizona. The Supreme Court's 1966 holding requires warnings only before custodial interrogation, not before volunteered statements. The subject's offers were not responses to questioning. They were unsolicited, and therefore admissible. Turning to the officer's conduct, the use of force analysis is governed by Graham v. Connor, the 1989 Supreme Court decision establishing that reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. The officer here employed only verbal commands and soft, empty hand control through handcuffing the lowest reasonable force option, given an actively resisting, intoxicated subject. No Graham concerns arise. The arrest itself is constitutionally supported by Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, the 2001 Supreme Court decision holding that custodial arrest is permissible even for minor criminal offenses where probable cause exists. Public intoxication under Tennessee Code Section 39-17-3-10 alone provided lawful arrest authority before the bribery exposure compounded the legal posture. The venue security personnel acted under Tennessee Code Section 47-109, which authorizes a private person to arrest another for a public offense committed in the arresting person's presence. The subject's stage rush constituted criminal trespass under Tennessee Code Section 39-14-405, giving security clear statutory authority to detain him using reasonable force. On grading, the officer earns an A- for textbook de-escalation and lawful use of force, with a minor deduction for incomplete on-camera documentation of medical complaints. The subject earns an F for self-inflicted felony exposure, produced by repeated bribery offers after explicit warning. Venue security earns a B for lawful detention, with one open evidentiary question on proportionality. 3 lessons from this case. First, Custody attaches the moment a reasonable person knows they cannot leave, not when handcuffs click. Verbal compliance is therefore legally significant. Second, every word spoken in custody outside formal interrogation is admissible. Silence remains the only safe posture. Third, attempting to bribe an officer never works in modern American policing and instantly converts a misdemeanor situation into a presumptive Class B felony exposure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this content informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next one.